We're going to review the top 5 best dashcams for Uber and Lyft drivers, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Vantrue N2 Uber Dashcam. Vantrue has released their 3-channel dashcam that features a front-facing road camera, an interior-facing cabin camera and rear road-facing camera all in one unit that stores video on one memory card. All 3 cameras can record at the same time in Full HD video, with the front cam recording at 1140p and the interior and rear cam recording at 1080p. The N2 dashcam uses Sony STARVIS image sensors, which are known for their crisp day video and clear night vision video. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro. Vantrue's N2 Pro sports a rugged, utilitarian design with a variety of useful tech and safety features. Included in the box is a suction cup mount, mini USB cables, car charger, some literature and the single camera unit itself. You'll need to insert your own formatted micro SD card before setting up the N2 Pro. It supports up to 64 GB of storage, which is more than sufficient for its 2 cameras. The interior-facing camera utilizes a Sony IMX323 sensor capable of recording 1080p video at a smooth 30 fps. Number 3. Rexing V3 Dual Dashcam. The V3 from Rexing is a 2-in-1 car camera setup with one outside-facing camera and one interior cabin-facing camera, allowing you to capture video and audio of your passengers, as well as still recording the road ahead. Its front camera records at 2160p when it is just the front recording. When both cameras are going, they record at 1080p at 30 fps. Each camera has a wide 170-degree lens angle, giving you full front coverage as well as the entire interior of your car or taxi. Number 4. TwoGuard Uber Dual Dashcam. The Uber Dashcam from TwoGuard, also known as CE45, has 1080p HD video recording on both the front camera and the interior cabin camera. Each lens has a wide viewing angle of 170 degrees, giving you a full view of the road around the front of your car and the entire inside of your car. Along with 1080p video, the front and rear cameras use a Sony Exmor IMX323 image sensors which are known for their crisp video and night vision capabilities. Number 5. Roab Dashcam Duo. The Dashcam Duo from Roab, which is part of the reputable electronics company Anker, have come out with their own rideshare dashcam. The Duo features 2 camera lenses, one pointing inside and the other pointing outside, both housed in one compact tube-like camera body. Other dual-channel rideshare dashcams can come with 2 separate camera units that both need wires. The Dashcam Duo is far more discreet, drawing less attention to it from riders. Each camera uses the Sony IMX323 CMOS image sensor, which are known for their crisp video quality and both record at 1080p HD.